Thank you for joining us again at Greater Renovation Associates LLC. Today we'll be dealing with landscaping and a privacy fence in the background. This video will show us building a retaining wall and a bench on top of the retaining wall. You'll see us framing the fence in the background as well. This retaining wall will help with some of the soil erosion that was going on in the yard. We'll backfill the area by the retaining wall, then we'll top everything off with sod. You'll see our water barrier going over the retaining wall. That will keep dirt and water and soil from going through the retaining wall, which will help eliminate the soil erosion. You will see we have now finished our retaining wall, our bench, and our sod. And now you'll see us with our dog-eared pickets going in the background on top of our frame fence. You'll see in the upper right, there's some clear spot of dirt. That was soil erosion. So we filled that up, tilled the rest of the yard, put down grass seed, watered it real good, and after that we're gonna put down some straw. We have now covered our grass seed with straw. Next thing on our list will be the tree area. We'll just go ahead and put our barrier down, put our little border around it, and put mulch in it. You'll see that coming up. As you will see now, we are halfway finished with our tree area. Our border's up. Our border is actually made out of dog-eared pickets. We're going to mulch it all in and have a great area for guests to come and look and lounge. Thank you for watching Greater Renovation Associates LLC. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Music is done by KG Cole. Thank you for your support.